discuss that blood stem cell donation is physically manageable and emotionally very meaningful for them. If we talk physically, mostly these stem cell donations are like long blood donation or platelet donation, and most of the donors are fine. Some may feel mild tiredness or tingling sensations in hand or face due to calcium changes, or a few aches because of GCSF injections. And if we talk about emotionally, it's most of the donors they come up with various emotions, to say for anxiety and nervousness to start with, and which is very normal for any donor, and mostly which turns into a sense of pride, purpose and fulfillment afterwards. And many donors express that it's very moving for them that when they understand their cells are going to save somebody else's life. And in short, if I say this stem cell donation is requires a bit of homework and a brief discomfort, but overall mostly they say it is one of the most rewarding experiences in their lives. So it is normal to have fears and doubts, and many donors come up with their questions. Most commonly is they fear about the pain during the procedure. So we reassure them that it's same like a long blood donation. Another important, many donors fear that they will lose their immunity or their counts, they will lose their blood counts. So we ensure that the body recovers quickly, the stem cells, and recovers quickly in time. Yes, few donors do come up with questions like will they have long-term health issues, long-term effects because of the stem cell donation. So yes, we again ensure that there is no long-term any health issues as of now. We discuss with them, we answer their questions and reassure them. We share the stories of the previous donors. Many times the donor feel confident and they're happy to proceed. So yes, after donation, mostly the donors recover quickly, and within 24 to 48 hours, they go back to their normal routines. We advise them to again listen to their body, take adequate rest, hydration, and avoid strenuous exercise and intense activities for a few days. And most of the donors recover in no time and go back.